Hey guys, what's up, Wagwan? No, so no see me in this already. Got on the clothing haul video, but today I'm actually wearing it. I actually wore it out. Anyways, I'm just coming back from my ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist, is it? That's how you pronounce it. My eye doctor, right? And honestly, I am just appalled at how much they're charging. Things on time I get hard, right? And I must understand. But anyways, I went to do my testing today, and the ridiculous amount of money what they wanted to charge me to get my glasses renewed. And I'm like, hell no. Because actually, with just the lens, it would have been around almost $700. That don't include the frame. Yes, yeah, disturbed me. So I already had the frames, and I wanted to get my lens put into the frame. I had two glasses that I wanted to use, and you want to tell me say over almost $700 that would I charge without the frames included? So you can imagine if I forget the frame, how much may I pay? More than about $1,000 ad? That don't make no sense. Too much money. So anyways, I decided going forward that I'm going to be getting all my glasses done online, and I'm about to show you guys how to get, if say you already had your eyes tested and you just really want to get new frames. I found this website that you can go, and it tells you the reading for your left and your right eye and the PD, right? Everything. It will tell you what you need to get your glasses on, because if you want to get your glasses online, you have to have like your PD measurement and stuff for your left and right eyes. So this website, you can go on there and it gives you your prescription basically, so you don't have to go back and get your eyes retested. Double check this with your ophthalmologist or whatever, but once you reach a certain age, your eyes don't necessarily change anymore. So if you already had a glasses before and you know that your eyes don't necessarily are changing, but really and truly you're supposed to go and get them tested, get it retested every 2 years. But say you didn't want to get them tested, but you wanted to renew your glasses. If you already had your old glasses, this website will basically give you a new prescription for your new glasses, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm gonna get into showing you what to do. And if you don't have access to this website, what you could do to get your PD, if you only wanted to get your PD, you would have to measure from your pupil in one eye, for instance, your right eye. So measure from your pupil from your right eye to your pupil on your left eye, and then the length from here to here, basically to the next pupil. That would be your PD in millimeters. So you'll measure it. You could maybe use like a ruler to do it, but I'm gonna show you what I did so you can do it too. Okay? So we don't be out here spending an arm and a leg to get our prescription filled. It's just ridiculous. Okay? You're going to need a card, like a credit card, something that has a, what's this called?
Mag strip.
Mag strip on there, right? And then you're going to need to download the app, the Glasses On app, if you have an Android. I have a Pixel. I'm a Pixel girl, okay? Google girl. All right? So Android it is. So if you have an Android phone, I'll probably have to find out which, if you have an iPhone, what will apply to you. But for my Android people, you will need to download the app called Glasses On, right? I'll probably put it somewhere here on the screen. So once you download that, you're going to open the app, right? And then probably have to screen record this part. So basically, you're going to download the app, and then you're also going to go to this website. If I can zoom in, babe, to the website. web.glasseson.com/q/, right? And then you're going to get the QR code like that, and you're going to open the app, and it's going to look like this. It's going to open the app, it's going to look like this. Then you're going to go to where it says glasses parameter start scan, right? So you're going to do that. So you're also going to need your glasses that you already have. This is my at-home glasses. I just wear this around the house. And then when you click on that, it's going to say, before you start, you will need a computer, 12 to 27 inches, any standard magnetic card, which is, I have my card right here, your current prescription glasses for scanning. So I have my glasses here. And this website use voice instructions. So you're gonna click on continue.
Visit the web address showing on your mobile screen and scan the QR code.
All right,
Great! Your phone and your computer are now synced. Well done. Let's figure out the exact size of your screen. A standard magnetic card helps us to determine your exact screen size, ensuring the most accurate result. Tap Show Me How to continue. You will be asked to hold a standard card flat against the screen and scan it with your phone. Make sure all the dots are visible on your mobile screen. To continue, get a magnetic card and tap Next. Place the card in the center of the dotted box and scan it with your phone. Make sure the dots are visible on your mobile screen. Right there. Awesome. Your screen is now calibrated. You're doing great. Now for the lens check. This step may take a few minutes. We will ask you to hold your glasses halfway between your phone and your computer screen. Hold the glasses at the corner between the lens and the temple arm like you would hold a pen. Then, we will ask you to slowly tilt your glasses up and down, keeping the target showing through the lenses. Now, take your glasses off. Hold your glasses at the midway point between your phone and your computer screen. Good. Hold it right there. Great. Now, move your glasses forward toward the screen. Hold it there for a moment. Tilt your temple arms up and down. Repeat until the scan is complete. Thanks. You may put your glasses on while we process this scan. Good. You are almost done. Just one more thing to do. To perfectly fit your glasses to your eyes, we need to measure the distance between your pupils. Tap Show Me How to continue. You will be asked to remove your glasses, hold a magnetic card flat against your forehead, and then take a selfie. Tap Next when ready.
So you're gonna do it just like that. Like that.
Now, take your glasses off, hold the magnetic card flat against your forehead, and hold your phone up for a selfie. Hold the card with the magnetic strip facing outward and visible at the bottom of the card. Good. Hold it right there. Looking good. Now, look at the camera. Smile. That's it. You did brilliantly. Very well done. Here are your results.
So these are my results. I would say try to do this at least 2 to 3 times to see if you get the same readings. And if you don't get the same reading, I would say maybe go with the 2 best ones, or the ones that are maybe the 2 that are the closest. Make sense?
Well, I guess if you're looking at it from the perspective of 2 of them are closer together than the other one, then one of those 2 might be the more accurate one, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I would say. But what I did is, because I already got my prescription, I just compare it to the prescription that I already have to see how close it is to my prescription. But say you didn't have your prescription, this would be an option for you to get a prescription. It gives you your eyeglass parameter and your PD as well. So this is what you would use to get your new glasses. But if you already had your prescription and you wanted to get just your PD, you could still use this to get your PD, because it gave me my PD right here. Or the other option, like I was saying, is to measure one pupil from the next, and then in how much it is in millimeters is what your PD is, if you wanted to do it the manual way. I hope this helps and may end up saving some of y'all some money. And then to get the glasses now, I found this website that you can actually go to purchase your website and put in your lens and all of that. That I will have to show you directly on my phone. So I think I'll do like a screen recording for that part. Catch you when I'm doing the screen recording. I'll show you guys another video where I go to purchase some bomb prescription glasses, so you don't want to miss my next video. But right about now, I'm feeling a bit hungry, so I'm gonna go cook some food. Right here, I'm cooking some boiled dumpling and sweet potatoes with some ackee and saltfish. I've been craving some ackee and saltfish in the longest while now, a few weeks now, and I just decided I'm gonna pick up some at the supermarket, because honestly, I don't know why the prices of ackee are so high. Can you believe it's like $10 for a can of ackee in Canada? Seriously? And I have this growing in my backyard in Jamaica. Like, whoa. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy this food and I'll catch you in the next video.